The line style manager is where you can bring in certain line styles into your business center project. So that's also found on the drafting tab in the middle here called drafting elements. And I'm going to select line style manager. So you can see here that you can find the existing line styles, and over here is the source line styles. So basically, if you were to select on a line style, you can see there's a bunch that came from the CAD file, and there's all different types. You can select those and delete those from Business Center. And if you want to if you don't have any, you need to bring them in from a project, you can go out to a source file. So if I click on this, you can see here that there's this LTP file type. It's a Trimble line style library. So if I click open, you'll see that there's a bunch of styles here that I can select. So if I needed this pipeline or this power line to be a line style in my project, I can select it and click the arrow and it'll bring it over into my project. So now you can see I have it over here. If I want the sanitary sewer one, I can bring that one over. So now those line styles will be available to apply to a line or to apply to my layer in my project.